Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the survival knife, which is essential for further progression in Subnautica below zero. First of all, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out any of my tutorials. So, first of all, go to the Fabricator, go to Personal, Tools, and here you will see the survival knife. You're going to need silicone rubber and titanium. Silicone rubber can be crafted from creepvine seed clusters, which are found inside of the kelp forest. And titanium can be gathered from limestone outcrops, which can be found anywhere on the ground, like this one. Of course, you can get copper ore too, but it's really common to get titanium from them. So, once you gathered titanium and the rubber, you can go ahead and click on the survival knife, and that's pretty much all how you can get the survival knife in Subnautica below zero. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you soon.